Have a good day. Well, I'm on the road again. Yep. What is? Oh no. What kind of foolishness this, man? What a day if you have these things with 192 stops. And here I am on the starter and the truck gone. Wow, this is so exciting. I'm so happy. I'm going to be stuck here for another half an hour waiting and well, the mechanic came and guess what? He didn't have an extra starter. This is so nice. Almost an hour out here now. And I'm having such a dandy day right in front of the customer's house that I made a delivery. Hope I may not have to unload this truck for another truck. But it's not looking very nice. So here I am walking to make a delivery to a customer's house because the truck broken down and he told me it's going to take another hour to go back all the way to the garage to get a starter. Come back, may take a 20 minutes to put it on. And so the day is starting to look a bit lengthy. Well, at least the postman is moving around. There you have it. Walking FedEx driver. I'm on the road again. Just on the road again. Good